Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson The Happy Prince. In our previous session we came to know that the Happy Prince requested the swallow bird to stay with him for one night and to be his messenger. He requested swallow bird to help the seamstress by giving his ruby to her. But Swallowbird did not ready to help the seamstress. Hearing this, the happy prince looked so sad. Then the bird felt sorry and he decided to stay with happy prince for one night and to be his messenger. Now let's continue the lesson. The swallow picked out the great ruby from Prince's sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of town. Then the swallow picked out the great ruby out of the prince's sword hilt and he flew with it in his beak over the roofs of the town. Here roofs mean roofs of the houses. The bird flew over the roofs of the town. He passed by the cathedral tower where the white marble angels were sculptured. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. Then he passed by the cathedral tower. Cathedral means church. He passed by the church tower where the white marble angels were sculptured. In that cathedral, there were some sculptures. Sculptures means idols or statues. They were made of white marble, and they were the statues of angels. Okay. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. Then he passed by the palace. Then he heard the sound of dancing. Someone was dancing there. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. Then the bird saw a beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball, she said. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstresses are so lazy. Then that girl said, I hope my dress will be ready in time for state ball. Here ball means entertainment of dancing. Okay. I hope my dress will be ready for state ball, like that girl said. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstresses are so lazy. Already I have ordered to decorate my dress with flowers. But these seamstresses are so lazy. Here we can see that probably this girl is none other than the maid of honor of the prince. Okay, she only might have given her dress to seamstress in order to embroider that dress with flowers. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the masts of the ships. At last, he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. Yes, he passed over the river and he saw the lanterns hanging on the masts of the ships. Okay, then he saw lanterns were hanging to the masts. Masts means the big poles like structure Okay, a tall, slim post or tower on the ship to support sails, flags, or floodlight. So, some lanterns were hanging on the masts of the ships. At last, he came to poor woman's house and looked in. At last, he reached poor woman's house and he looked in. The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed. He saw the boy was tossing. Here, tossing means he was rolling to and fro on his bed. Okay, he was turning that side and this side. The boy was tossing feverishly. Feverishly means with fever on his bed. He was rolling that side and this side on his bed. He was suffering from fever. And the mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired. And mother was, means the seamstress had fallen asleep. She was so tired. In he hoped and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's timble. Okay, then he hopped inside. He jumped inside and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's timble. Here, timble means metal cap for the fingers used in sewing to push the needle. Okay, in order to protect the fingers, this kind of metal caps are used. Okay, because while stitching something, needle may enter into the fingers, it may pierce into the fingers. So in order to protect the fingers, the metal caps are used for fingers. They are called thimble. So the bird put or laid that great ruby beside the thimble. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. Then he flew gently, slowly round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. And he was flying over the forehead of the boy and he was flapping his wings. Because of that, the boy got cool air. Okay, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. His flapping wings is compared to fanning. How cool I feel, said the boy. I must be getting better. And he sank into delicious slumber. The boy felt that he was getting very cool air and he felt very cool and he thought he was getting better and he sank into a delicious slumber. He went to the deep sleep. Slumber means sleep. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him that what he had done. It is curious, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. Then the swallow flew back to Happy Prince and told him what he had done. And also he said it is very curious because he felt quite warm then, although it was so cold. Outside it was cold, but swallow bird was feeling very warm. Then Happy Prince replied, that is because you have done good action, said the prince. And the little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy. Then Happy Prince said, "You are feeling warm because you have done good action. You have done good work." And little swallow began to think about that. Then he fell asleep. Whenever he used to think about something, he used to get sleep. Okay, that's why thinking always made him sleepy. That sentence is used here. Okay, like this, the Happy Prince and swallow together, they helped the seamstress. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.